And welcome back to Eyewitness News at 5:30. The city of Philadelphia hits somewhat of a detour in the road to recovery as the suburbs go green and some businesses begin to reopen in the city. Health officials say a second wave of COVID-19 has started. As a result, wearing masks will now be mandatory in Philadelphia. Here's Natasha Brown.
There is renewed excitement in the city as Philadelphia moves into the least restrictive green phase of reopening.
We're excited, super excited, super excited.
Nail salons, barber shops, and hair salons finally reopened after being abruptly shuttered in mid-March due to the coronavirus outbreak.
The salon had to be thoroughly cleaned. We have a temperature gun where we're checking temperatures as you come in. We have sanitizer at each station, cleaning supplies. We even have outside seating too. So we're ready.
Clients welcomed a trip back to Giovanni and Pileggi Salon in Center City with new safety protocols in place. Mandatory masks, temperature checks, and plexiglass dividers have become the new norm.
As much as we would like to just say this epidemic is over, it's clearly not.
Despite the recent reopening, city health officials are still seeing a rise in positive COVID-19 cases, especially in community settings. With more than 100 new cases per day in Philadelphia, the full green phase reopening scheduled for next week may be put on pause.
Given the numbers we have right now, we are not meeting our targets for reopening next Friday. We want to not have a big second wave of coronavirus infection in Philadelphia. So any reopening we want to do safely.
Health officials say teams will be monitoring businesses, making sure they're complying with safety standards.
When we go into restaurants, we're going to be observing mask use, as well as the other safety features that we're supposed to be doing, and we will be giving very direct feedback to restaurants. Much of this takes place at places where we don't have inspectors there, and so we're really pleading with business owners to take this seriously. In the end, it's going to not serve anybody well if people don't follow the safety guidelines.
Natasha Brown, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.